Is it okay to invest in the S&P 500 from Nigeria? And the answer is a big yes. It is very, very okay for you to invest in the S&P 500. What exactly is the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is an ETF that tracks the top 500 companies in the US. So by investing in the S&P 500, you are investing in the top 500 companies in the US. And just in case you don't know what an ETF means, an ETF means exchange traded funds. It is the same thing as stocks, except for the fact that it is a basket of stocks. So you want to look at an ETF like a basket of fruits. And inside this basket of fruits, you have different fruits. You have orange, you have pineapple, you have mango, you have avocado, you have watermelon and others. So even though one fruit goes bad, you can make do with the other fruits. That's exactly how an ETF works. An ETF is a basket of stocks. It is the same thing as stocks, except for the fact that it has a lot of companies inside of it. So one of the advantages of investing in an ETF is the fact that it helps you to lower your risk. Meaning that if one stock does not perform well, you can use the profit that you make from the other stocks to cover up for it. And then secondly, it helps you to diversify your portfolio. So with very little amount of money, you will be able to invest in different companies all at once instead of trying to invest in these companies individually. So how exactly do you invest in the S&P 500? You can invest in the S&P 500 by using the stockbroker or by using an investment app. So you can use platforms like Bamboo, Optimus or Koda to invest in the S&P 500. The ticker symbol is S&P 500 Vanguard ETF. And currently, the share price of this S&P 500 Vanguard ETF is trading for around $599. But even though you don't have the complete $599 to invest, you can still buy fractional shares of this particular ETF. So with your $1, with your $5, with your $10, you can still invest in the S&P 500 Vanguard ETF. Please note that this is not a financial advice. It is expected that you do your own research and that you make an informed decision if at all you want to invest in this ETF or not. And by the way, if you want to learn more on how to get started with investing in the stock market, then I want to invite you to join my free stocks investment masterclass, where I go deeper to break down everything for you step by step and show you exactly how you can invest smartly and earn profitably from the stock market. The link to join the free training will be up there on my bio. Alternatively, just send me a message with the keyword invest. Once I see your message, I'll send you the access to join the free training. Do not forget to tap on the plus sign to follow me for more investment tips like this.